Welcome to the administrator training of BCD Travel Direct. In today's part, we show you how to do travel management settings, like storing of company rates and a travel policy within the system. Go to Administration and then on to Travel Management Settings. Under Company Rates, you have the possibility to store negotiated rates for your company. For instance, corporate customer rebate number with Deutsche Bahn, a code for negotiated flight fees and negotiated hotel rates, as well as rates for rental cars. Please note that access to these rates needs to be given to our system beforehand. You will find additional notes under Release of Company Rates in the information section for administrators. Enter the data and click on Save. In the next section, the travel policies, you have the possibility to maintain the rules of your company. These are divided into the areas of rail, flight, hotel, and rental car. For example, under rail, you can state that only travel in second class is permitted. Under flight, you can choose if economy, business, or first class is generally permitted, or if you conditionally allow this, depending on the price difference to the cheaper option. This can be done for domestic, European, and intercontinental flights separately. Under Hotel, you can store the maximal costs per night. All more expensive rates will then be displayed as out of policy. Under Rental Car, you can decide which car category your travelers are allowed to use. In the next section of the travel management settings, you have the possibility to choose preferred suppliers. For instance, under Flight, you can choose which airline you as a company prefer or exclude others. This setting can also be done based on route. Same can be done under Hotel, where here you only choose the source of the booking. Under Rental Car, you can choose specific vendors and also set the display sequence. Please note that when you do these settings, you might not enjoy the full availability of all trips based on the best buy principle, since the system pre-selects based on your preferences. In the fourth chapter of the travel management settings, Itinerary, you have the possibility to disable certain modes of travel. For instance, if you do not wish rail travel to be booked via BCD Travel Direct, you can disable this mode of travel by removing the check mark from the box. Below that, you have the possibility to do role-specific settings. In other words, an administrator can be allowed to book flights and a self-booking employee only a hotel or a train ticket. In the last section of the travel management settings, you have the possibility to store your data from airline medium-sized business programs. Should you participate in a loyalty program, for example the Lufthansa Partner Plus benefit program, you can maintain your company code here and also collect points when booking with BCD Travel Direct. In case you are not aware of an airline medium-sized business program, you can also find additional documents in the information section for administrators. In the next part, we will show you how to create booking groups.